Let's show you how simple it is to take an order with the Pocket POS app. Let's say you are a coffee shop and a customer asks for a cappuccino and 2 lattes. So all you need to do is go to the category drinks and under the hot drink subcategory, press on the cappuccino item once and press on latte twice. The order will appear on the left-hand side of the main screen. If you accidentally press the wrong item, simply press the cross next to the item to remove it. For payment, click Pay at the bottom of the main screen and the payment screen appears. Let's say the customer would like to pay by card, so select Card. If you have used one of our recommended payment systems, the amounts will automatically appear on the card machine, making the payment process even faster. If not, simply enter the amount on the card machine. When registering the payment, several options are available to you. If you press Pay and Receipt, the system will register the payment, print out the order to the kitchen, and print a receipt for the customer. If the customer doesn't need a receipt, simply press Pay and Ticket. If neither a customer receipt nor a kitchen ticket are required, just press Pay and Close.